there is a say
Yeah.
provision before in the interview table. You can keep it on that, but then it should not
Why
result
this
in your
candidate has
putting
not
it in
come?
degrees, say 40 degrees, 30 degrees.
I'm
No.
expecting him to come and stop
Let-
recording. Yeah. Now we are starting the recording. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good. When did you have your Federal Bank test, written test?
Sir, on 28th September, it's on.
Acha.
I
How
gave
many of you roughly wrote from your college?
Sir, it's around 25 to 30.
25 to 30 of you wrote, and that too from
Yeah.
your home only, correct?
Yes, sir. It's
It was all
virtual.
from home only, correct?
Yeah.
And out of which, how many have you been selected? 4.
Sir, we 4 students have got selected for this.
4 of you have been selected. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, what was the subjects that were asked in the test?
So there were 5 sections. The first were aptitude, and second is logical reasoning, then verbal ability, then some computer awareness question and general knowledge, sir.
That's all.
It's around 60 questions for 45 minutes.
Only 60 questions and 45 minutes.
Yes,
Everything
sir.
on.
So there were also a psychometric test, which is for 15 minutes, and they contain 100 questions.
Oh, what was that next? 100 questions. What was that? That is
Psychometric test.
psychometric.
Yeah.
Acha,
Yeah.
acha. What were? Can you remember a few questions they asked in psychometric test?
Sir, it's just like how you behave in if you are doing some work in team. What was your thinking about that? Some just
You can't
behavioral
remember.
questions.
You cannot remember the question exactly now, no?
No, yes, sir.
Doesn't matter.
This
Good.
kind of behavioral questions, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very happy. Now, after that, you had your what is that robotic interview for 2
Yeah,
minutes.
sir.
What were the 2
Yes,
questions
sir.
asked to you?
Okay, sir. The first question was, who is your inspiration? And another was, what you did in this lockdown pandemic period.
Super questions.
Yeah.
What did you
Yes,
say?
sir,
Who was your role model? Or
Sir, actually, yeah, I like the drama and theater, so I mentioned Manoj Vajpayee, actor Manoj Vajpayee.
acha, actor Manoj Vajpayee from Maharashtra, from Bombay.
No, sir, no, sir.
Ah.
Yeah, it's an actor of Hindi film industry.
Acha, Manoj Vajpayee.
Yeah.
Acha. What are the famous movies he has acted?
Sir, recently he
Then how
made
did you tell that?
series.
How did you answer that question? Now try to
Okay.
answer that. Yeah. Now,
Okay,
who is
okay,
your role model or mentor, whatever it is? Who has
Okay,
impressed you very much? Tell us.
Okay, the Manoj Vajpayee sir has impressed me a lot because he came from a middle class family and he became a popular actor in Hindi cinema, as well as he done lots of web series recently. He done the series named Family Man, which is really impressed me. And he is not just a actor. He studied in theater, like he is an alumni of National School of Drama. So it inspires me a lot, sir.
Oh, only this much you answered, not much.
Yes, sir. Sir, there are time limits of 1 minute.
1 minute only. Did you
Yes, sir.
talk throughout that 1 minute, or you stopped before that 1 minute?
Sir, I think I talked around 50 to 55 seconds.
Oh, recently there was a bereavement in respect of him. What was that? Because you
Sir,
told about Manoj Vajpayee. उनके लिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया अभी recently.
Yeah, sir, his father's died couple of days before.
Very good. 2 days back, his father died. Good.
Yes.
Next question is, what was the next question they asked you?
How did you manage your time, or how did you?
Super question. How did you manage during this Corona times? How did you answer this? Your shirt is very nice. Your shirt is very nice. You are sitting in a
Thank you, sir.
proper posture. Badia. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Now
you, sir.
tell me, how did you manage your COVID days?
Sir, in this pandemic, I used to do a meditation in every morning. Then I used to read English newspaper, which helps me a lot to build my English language. And also I used to read some
You can
novels.
you can also add which newspaper?
Sir, the Indian Express.
Good, good. Continue.
Yeah. And also I read a few novels like the autobiography of Rahul Dravid, which inspired me a lot.
You like cricket
That's
very
it.
much?
Yes, sir. I also like it.
Yeah. Where is cricket now? IPL matches are being conducted.
Sir, it is in UAE, Dubai.
UAE. UAE. Acha. Now today, which match is going to take place?
Sir, Rajasthan Royals and Punjab Kings.
Today?
Yeah, sir.
I don't know. Because they told something. Let me check it up.
As
Yesterday, what was the match?
yesterday, sir, Chennai Super King versus Delhi Capitals, sir.
Which
Won by the Delhi Capitals.
which party? Sorry, which team won the match?
Sir, Delhi Capitals won the match.
Yeah, Chennai defeated. I don't know how. Huh?
It was a low scoring match.
Very low score, 135.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday they scored only 135, Baba. That is
Sir, it was
awfully low.
bowling pitch. So
Awfully low, that one. Make
yeah,
your
yeah, sir.
today's match abhi tak aaya
Sir,
nahi.
but
Yeah.
match was very nail biting, sir.
Very?
Nail biting, sir. Last over tak.
Acha?
Matlab, yeah,
No,
sir.
but it was an easy score for them now. What was the final
Yeah,
score?
sir, but they need in last over, I think 4 or 5 runs. But
Acha. Last over
one of
only
the
4 or
player,
5 runs. And that
yeah,
would have
one
been,
of the
how
player
many
of,
wickets they had?
so they are around lost 7 wickets.
Oh, 7 wickets they lost. Good. So cricket is your love.
Yeah, sir. Because
Good.
my father is used to watch cricket.
Acha, acha. What is your father?
So my father is a headmaster of private school.
Oh, headmaster. Acha, acha, acha. What did he study in those days?
Sir, he had BSc B.Ed.
BSc, B.Ed. Very good, very good. So he is in in his school, classes are there up to 8th class or 10th class?
Sir, up to plus 2 also.
Acha,
Up to 10th class and plus 2.
acha, up to class plus 2 also it is there. Very good, very good. Do you like teaching?
Yeah, sir. Whenever I got chance, like on Teachers' Day, I really eager to become the headmaster of or a teacher to teach the students.
Acha, good,
That was the only opportunity I have.
very good. Now, very nice, very happy. Now you are an engineering student.
Yes, sir.
Now, why do you want to come to bank?
So yeah, there are reasons because the first of all, it is a very responsible job in a banking sector because we are going to handle people's money, so it's our responsibility. And another reason is I think the banking is the blood of our economy, so it will be really appreciate me to work in this field. And talking about my electrical field, so there are not a secure job my field, and
That is the
in
point.
banking there are, yeah,
This
yes,
point
sir.
you tell first.
Okay, okay,
This
sir.
point you can tell first. Okay. So that was the
Yeah,
main reason. There are not sufficient job opportunities in your
and
field.
not a good
And
career growth also
whereas
in
this one is a good one. Excellent.
yes, sir.
What is banking?
So actually banking is a mediator between the borrower and the saver. Work as a mediator which
Actually, the word actually is not required actually. Extra words we should not use in interviews.
okay.
So now when I ask the question banking, just tell simple words. Banking means what?
It's just taking money from the
Instead of taking money, you
हाँ,
make it accepting deposits
accepting deposit, giving interest on this
and giving loans to others.
loan.
That's all.
Yeah.
Accepting
Okay.
deposits from the public and making advances to others. That
Okay,
is
sir.
banking. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Federal Bank का headquarters किधर है?
Sir, in Aluva, Kochi, Kerala.
अच्छा, you are a boy from Maharashtra. आप फेडरल बैंक में जाके क्या करेगा?
Sir, there are 115 branches in Maharashtra only.
Really?
Of Federal Bank.
115. ये तो हम नहीं
Yes, sir.
जानते थे. I wasn't aware. अच्छा, they have got
Yes, sir.
115 branches. बढ़िया.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes.
So you will have sufficient jobs, options and opportunities and all that. Very good. I think
Yes, sir.
Mumbai itself, there must be more branches, na? How many
Yeah,
branches?
there were 28 branches in Mumbai and Mumbai suburban.
Good. Now, what is your native place or what is the address you are given in the Federal Bank application?
Okay, my native place is Vita, which is in Sangli district, which is located on the banks of River Krishna.
But right now you are in Mumbai.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are staying with whom?
So my cousin,
What is he?
sir, he is a branch manager of PNB.
Oh, great. Cousin brother, who is branch
sir.
manager of Punjab National Bank.
Sir, my family is a joint family, so.
Oh, great. Happy. Joint family.
Yes, sir.
बढ़िया.
Yes, sir.
आजकल तो joint family देखना भी नहीं है. Very rare to see joint families. Can you tell me
Yes, sir.
what is the advantage of joint family?
Sir, all the happiness and sadness we share in family only, all of them, irrespective of its happiness or some
वो happiness
problem.
को आप share करने से तो आपको कम हो जाता है ना?
नहीं सर,
ऐसा नहीं है, वो बढ़ेगा.
बढ़ जाता है.
हाँ, बढ़ जाता है. वो multiply हो
share
जाता
करने
है.
से कम हो जाता है.
लेकिन प्रॉब्लम को शेयर करने से वो कम हो जाए. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा एक्सप्लेन करना. गुड. जॉइंट फैमिली. गुड. एंड ही इज अ मैनेजर इन पंजाब नेशनल बैंक. हाउ ओल्ड इज ही?
Yes, sir. Sir, he is I think 32 years running.
32.
Right.
He must be scale 2 or 3.
Up to scale 3, sir.
Scale
As
3.
per I know.
That must be senior manager. He must be a senior
Yes,
manager.
sir.
Good.
Yes,
Have you visited his branch? No.
No, sir, not yet.
I know
Actually,
it must be far away from your place, na?
Yeah, sir, far away.
तो आना जाना तो मुश्किल है. हमने ये बात बताएंगे आपको घर का पास में है, अभी कुछ फेडरल बैंक होगा तो जाइए.
Okay.
अंदर में जाके एक गुस्सा करके राउंड करके आइए, एक वाउचर सब लेके देखिए, ये आपको सुविधा पड़ेगा.
Okay, sir. I will do.
Some interviews they ask, have you visited the nearest branch of Federal Bank? Okay. Yeah. Hello. Abbas, are you speaking now? आपका आवाज आता नहीं. म्यूट हो गया. इसको अनम्यूट करो. या अब नाउ हेलो स्पीक. हाँ, अभी ठीक है. हेलो, अभी आता है. अभी स्पीक. नो व्हाई डिड यू अनम्यूट कर दीजिए. हाँ, अभी बात कर लीजिए. अभी आ रहा है. Now it is.
Sorry, sir. There problem in my Bluetooth connectivity, sir.
अच्छा. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. No problem. Good. So your cousin brother is the manager of Punjab National Bank.
Yes.
So Punjab National Bank, what is the difference between Punjab National Bank and Federal Bank?
Sir, the major difference between these two are Punjab National Bank is public sector bank and Federal Bank is private sector bank. And PNB is the second largest bank, public sector bank of India.
Good.
And Federal Bank is a
Excellent.
major but private sector bank.
Yeah, very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. You told nicely. Yeah. Now coming to your own CV, here, let me ask you. Can you tell me what are your achievements?
First is I got first prize in mono acting competition, which is
Okay.
held at university level,
Huh.
and then we won the Purushottam Karandak, which is most important drama competition considered in Maharashtra state. So we won in 2018, and for 2019 we are runner up for the same.
So I
And
think
also
mainly when we talk about achievements, you would like to mention about acting,
yes,
and that too mainly mono acting.
yeah.
That's a mono acting. Now, shall I give you a situation in which you let us see how do you mono act? Correct?
So
The situation is like this. You are going to meet a branch manager and you are a borrower. You want to start say drama troupe company, and you want to stage dramas, and imagine how many people you are having already with you, and for that you need some capital so that you can buy certain settings and all that. Using that you will be staging dramas, and you want some you imagine your own amount, whatever you want to spend, and you are going to talk to manager and requesting him for this loan. So imagine I am the manager, you are the customer who is coming for loan. Please talk to me.
okay, shall I start?
Hello,
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
My name is Vinay Mahade. I am a cultural representative of my institute, and I came here. Actually, I'm wanting to open a drama school for the students who are unable to get the learning about the drama. So, because I belongs to a very small village, so there are some students who are have eager to learn drama. So I would like to take a step further for their education. So just I want to open a mini drama school. For this I want some revenue, or you can say some money from you. Can you able to give
You want donation?
not like donation, sir. I want loan from you.
How much loan do you require?
It minimum required cost to 70,000 rupees.
Only
Yes, sir.
70,000 rupees loan.
Because I have
What
in
are
my
the
house
things you may
only,
be? What are the things you may be buying?
sir. Firstly, I'm going to uh, approach some good teachers in this field, and then for the hall or the cultural sale, then I will use my home also. It will be beneficial for
Acha,
me.
acha. Good, good. So you are interested in starting a drama school. Correct, correct.
Yes, sir.
But the problem I gave you was drama company. I wanted you to start a drama company which will be conducting dramas on stages. Doesn't matter. कोई बात नहीं. इसलिए अब ठीक से सुन के आंसर करना है. Of course, what you said was not wrong. वो सही है. Whatever you said is okay. Now, come on, mono act and show me how will you inform your success in Federal Bank interview to your mommy or daddy. Imagine you are meeting in person and you are going to share to them the success. You are not talking over phone. You are going to meet in person. You can talk in your own local language also.
Sir, is it okay in Marathi?
Yeah, yeah.
Because
I may not
need
follow, doesn't matter. Let us see how you act. How do you act? definitely you'll be facing this question in the interview.
Sir, can you repeat situation once more?
The situation is that you have been selected as a clerk in Federal Bank. Now you are meeting your mummy, daddy for the first time after getting the news. Imagine you are getting it, say through message or in your cell phone. Unfortunately, what happened? Federal Bank will send a message copy to your daddy also. That is a different thing. Now imagine that message is not going to him, and now you are going to meet them and share with them your success. How will you continue?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You can get up from your seat and come also, no problem. Yes, yes. Get up from your seat and then come and sit down. Yeah,
Sir, is it okay?
fine. You talk like this.
Okay. Sir, I will give countdown, then I will start.
Shall I give countdown? Shall I give countdown? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
आई बाबा कुठे? हा बोलव ना त्यांना. तुम्हाला काहीतरी सांगायचं. जी मी ड्राईव्ह दिलेली ना फेडरल बँक साठी, त्यात माझं सिलेक्शन नाही झालं. वाटलं ना अगं मी खोटं बोलत होतो, माझं सिलेक्शन झालंय. हे बघ, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ना, हे बघा मी मोबाईल दाखवतो. हे बघा, आम्ही 4 जण एक सिलेक्ट झालोय. अहो मी गंमत करत होतो पहिल्यांदा, पण ते आता सगळ्यांचं जाऊ दे. तुम्ही खुश आहात ना? मग ठीक आहे. That's it, sir.
Good. You did very well. You did well. But what was the script you had initially? You said you were not
Yes,
selected.
initially, yeah, it's a
Surprise.
It's a prank.
Prank.
It's a type of
You made a prank. अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Youngsters normally you all enjoy prank very much.
Yes.
Excellent. Now I was asking you about banking. Now coming to straight away into Federal Bank. What is the name of the personal assistant used in Federal Bank website?
Sir, it's a Fed, I think.
FEDI.
Fedi, yeah. Okay.
It is FEDI. Now, is the shares of Federal Bank quoted in stock exchange?
Yes, sir, it is listed in BSE, NSE, and London Stock Exchange.
London also?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what is the price now roughly per shares price in rupees?
As per I know, it's around 85 rupees.
Good, correct. Correct.
Yes.
85 is the correct answer. Roughly 85. Very good. You are remembering that very well. Right. Now you told about your college, then about your achievements. Then what were the projects you did?
Okay, in my last year of engineering, I did a major project named automatic car jack system.
Oh,
it is a device which we use to raise a part of car or the whole car in air with use of Bluetooth control, use of our mobile.
Oh, using Bluetooth. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Using Bluetooth, it will be raised. Excellent.
Yes, sir. It will give instruction to raise up or raise down the car.
Good.
Because it much require more power to the jack or the jack screw handle it. So
Mm.
women and old people are not able to handle it carefully, or they have much not more power.
Mm. Excellent.
They face
Yeah.
lots of problems.
Yeah. Now let me come to the next question. Your father is a teacher. How many siblings do you have?
Sir, I have one elder sister.
Acha, acha. Oh, what is she doing?
So she has completed his BTech in mechanical engineering, and now she is working with Mahindra and Mahindra.
Oh, great. Excellent. Is she also into computers or is she working in factory?
In factory core job.
Acha, she is working in factory.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good, very good, very good, very good. Very happy. Acha, now, what do you think will be the responsibilities of a bank clerk?
Okay, the first is to dealing with queries of customers and to find out the complication about the KYCs and to deposit the cash or withdraw it and to assist the administration team with them with its work and to follow up the reports uh, of all the day
Okay.
which
Now, let me come to the next question. You told me KYC. What is KYC?
so it's know your customer.
What are the documents asked for in Know Your Customer?
So they're asking for 6 documents.
Any one of the
Uh,
6 documents.
the address proof we
You have
can
to
give it.
say any one of the 6 documents.
Okay, okay.
What are the documents?
Address proof and the government ID photograph. Yeah, sir. That's it, sir.
Then you can simply say Aadhaar card, then PAN card, then
Voter ID.
passport or voter ID, like that. Some
Electricity
6
bill also.
items they have given. Okay. Please go through that, what it is. Good. Very good. Now, which bank do you have an account?
Sir, in SBI only.
What is the name of the mobile app of SBI?
Oh, sir. Sir, I don't know, sir.
You have not been using it.
No, sir.
No. Do you have internet account in SBI?
No,
No.
sir. Not
No. Because not much balance you are keeping, so you don't have it.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, the name of the mobile app of SBI is YONO. 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 Similarly, they can ask you, what is the name of the mobile app of Federal Bank?
It's Fed Mobile, I think.
Huh? Are you sure? Some Fed Swagat something and all that. Mobile app of Federal Bank.
Yeah, there is Fed Swagat also, but there are different apps of Federal. Means for recruitment process, they have Fed recruitment.
Acha. Federal Bank Fed Mobile is an app on Google Display, Google Play. Acha. If we go to Google, Play Store and put Fed, I think we will know very many other items also. Correct?
It's a Fed Mobile.
Federal Bank Mobile Banking. Correct. Navy Federal Mobile App. Mission Federal Mobile Banking. So many are there, Baba. Cap Fed Mobile Banking. ये सब क्या है थोड़ा देख लीजिए क्योंकि you are an engineering student. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
What are the advantages of mobile banking?
So first advantage is we can handle it from anywhere by 24/7. This is main advantage, I think, and it required the terms UPI by which we can transfer money to anyone from any other bank also. Bank account.
Very good. Now, can you tell me the difference between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit?
Okay, sir, fixed deposit, as the name suggests, that it is a when we it is for the fixed time when we deposit the amount, and it is of one installment only. And in RD, we deposit a fixed amount in instant of time, means
No,
long
we
time.
are making payment of RD deposit amount in different installments, every monthly installments. Okay,
Okay.
that's very good. Good. You are from which state? Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Tell 3 good points about Maharashtra.
So first, about the culture of Maharashtra, it is famous in the world, and the history, ancient history with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and their forts are famous in overseas also.
Where is the fort?
And sir, there are lots of fort in Maharashtra.
अच्छा, ओहो, शिवाजी का मेन फोर्ट किधर है?
Sir, it's named Raigad.
ओहो, it's in Maharashtra. Good, good. One more point.
It's considered
One
as
more
the
point.
capital. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
No, I am asking you one more point about Maharashtra.
Yes, sir. Then Maharashtra, there are lots more points. And actually
Why are you
now-
forgetting about the financial capital of India, Mumbai?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mumbai is the financial
अरे
capital.
भाई,
of-
इंडिया का 80% उधर ही है पैसा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इधर दिल्ली में है और नहीं होने से बॉम्बे में है और किधर भी नहीं है. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, good, excellent. Now tell me, how do you want to be after 10 years from now? Officially.
Okay. Sir, actually, I want to acquire a good position in your bank, which will satisfy my ability to work, which fulfill my dreams also.
Good. How will you deal with angry customer?
Okay, sir.
Imagine a customer like me is coming and shouting at you. What is this? I am waiting here for the last half an hour and you are not looking at my work. I've been waiting here for more than 30, 35 minutes, 40 minutes. आप लोग क्या करते हैं? काम नहीं करते हैं क्या?
Yes, sir. So there is a law which have means you can also hear that every reaction has equal and opposite. Every action has equal and opposite reaction, but this is not applicable here, because if we also we also dealing with the same anger, then it gives arises to the many major issue. So I will consider what problem he or she is facing, then I will politely means resolve which queries.
थोड़ा और भी अच्छे से बोल. Correct. I will talk to him. I won't get angry. I will smile and I will try to listen to him properly and try to satisfy his problem. If it is not possible by me, I will take him to my officer or manager and see that the problem is sorted. Now, very good. Last question for the day. Name the finance minister of Maharashtra.
Sir, Mr. Ajit Pawar is the finance minister of Maharashtra, who is also deputy CM of Maharashtra.
Sharad Pawar's relation?
Yes, sir. He is a nephew of Sharad Pawar.
Oh, I don't know. Very good. You have answered, so far you have answered very well. No problem. And one more tough question for you. Tell me 5 news reports you have read recently. It can be banking, it can be political, it can be anything, business, anything. 5 important news.
Sir, now from the last day, everyone knows the situation of the son of Shah Rukh Khan's Aryan Khan.
Correct,
Drug.
correct.
Every
Aryan
news-
Khan. Yeah, that is the news. Yeah.
And apart from this, the major issue of farmer in Lakhipura, in Kheri, there are the MLA's son has driven the car over the protesters. Sir.
That is wrong.
The 9,
Yeah.
yes, 9 of them had died in this protest. And Priyanka Gandhi, I think she get arrested by the people yesterday. And there is one also news. Actually, I am not have much information about that. This is Pandorama papers, like.
Yeah, some papers. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
and
I think. No, but you don't have to tell an item about which you don't have information.
okay,
Samajh
sir.
gaya? You please tell
sir.
only about an item that you know. I have posted in our, are you a member of my Telegram group?
Sir, today itself I joined this group.
Yeah. पीछे में जाने से तो I have posted 3 days or 4 days current affairs snippets, उसमें से पढ़ लीजिए. ठीक है? Not bad. You managed very well. You are told about cricket also. Very nice. Best wishes. We'll meet again afterwards when you feel like talking. After you are getting to know the late date of interview. When you get the
Yes, sir.
interview date, if interview is on 10th, you can take the interview with me on 8th or 9th, like that. Okay, we'll see. And by the time you be reading newspaper, okay, and you also be reading banking. I have given you the links for materials also.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. You have done well. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. The rest is in God's hands. Best wishes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. I will post this video in YouTube, and I will send the link to you also. You can also see. It has come very well. Bye. It has come very well, possibly because you are an actor by yourself. You are a mono actor. That may be the reason why it has come very well. Thank you. Bye.